night, blast the night for the light. Christ is right, and so we fight for the night. A knife with shields and swords and steam. A team of silver light green.
Let me intercept this instrument. This black mess with the handle. They caught up in no 2020 scandal. We grounded, profile lyrics I dismantle. Blow off like melted candles. Throwing handles like CDs all across the country. Touchdown from Washington all the way up to Boston. I run from the one in particular. I roll with this flick from the Tampa Bay area. We catch a slave, everybody slave. Up in this unit, we doing it as a family. Lie that is familiar with everybody's vocal. Tread upon the serpent like chocos. We got in circulation, rotation on the daily. The strength of my crew blazing through like a wildfire. We connected like a strip wire. 3 seconds to impact. Low swan.
You bunch of Pharisees, how dare you spiritually try to come after me? I seen you in the back of the room, commit adultery, vanities all over your lips, and I can see it. But if it's a scripture battle you want, so be it, let me warn you. I've left demons in the fiery furnace without the fourth person, burnt up and cursing. Don't even do it to yourself tonight. My God is bigger than life, and without God you'll surely die.
Forces confined and pipeline to divine heights of holiness. I guess must bolder as I am cold, being transformed into the image of Christ. The anointed one and his anointed. Now I have